What's good, everybody? I hope you all are having a great day. I did want to apologize real quickly as I am fighting off some sickness right now, so my voice is a little bit off. But in today's video, I'm announcing to you guys and just letting you guys know that I've just released my first ever Chessable course that just got published by Chessable. Pressure 1 D4, Hartlaub-Charlick Gambit for Black. I'm really proud and happy in terms of how this course came out. And I didn't even know what the heck this gambit was until my good friend Russ Southern approached me and really let me know what the heck the Charlick Gambit was, how to play it, and going through the lines and variations that he gave me, guys. This gambit is fun. This gambit is dangerous. This gambit takes the D4 player out of their prep. And I've been playing it a lot in my Bullet and my Blitz games online against very high-rated players, titled players all the time. I'm going with the Charlick Gambit against them. And personally, I wouldn't play the Charlick Gambit in an over-the-board tournament game against someone around my level, right? 21, 22, 2300 over the board. But, or at least I wouldn't do it, all the time. But I would say, even if you're a beginner or an intermediate player, I mean, this could actually work in over-the-board chess, even in those longer time controls. This is a hard gambit to play against. It starts out with an Englund. You play the move E5 against D4. And a lot of D4 players know how to refute the Englund, but not a lot of players know about the Charlick Gambit, which is when you offer up the second pawn on D6. And if you come to this page here, you'll see that, there's an introductory offer here for the next 9 days, so you guys can save some money if you decide to get the move trainer, or if you decide to get the move trainer and the video segment. The video is nearly 5 hours in content, and this is the promo here, so I don't need to go super in depth in terms of what the course holds. I will leave a link to the Chessable course down in the description and in the pinned comment for those of you that are interested in checking it out, so you guys can really learn how the course is formatted, structured, who it's meant for, all that kind of stuff in this little 12-minute promo. But yeah, as you can see here, we also have it explained. You play the Englund, you then play D6. And yeah, I mean, it's a true gambit. You have all these different lines, these different ideas. And then at the end, you have a little bit of a, intro on who I am and who Russ Southern is as well. Again, I'm really happy in terms of how this course turned out. For those of you that are interested in it, it would mean a lot if you guys would support this course. So far, 3 Chessable users have given it a 5 out of 5, which I really appreciate. And yeah, I mean, this is one of those gambits that is just fun. It's just fun at the end of the day. I'm not going to sit here and say to play it against Magnus Carlsen, but you can get very good results with it. I get a very good winning percentage with it against titled players all the time in online chess. And yeah, it's just a very fun gambit to play and really work with. And again, we got nearly 5 hours of content for you guys so that you guys can really learn to master this gambit and get the most out of it that you can. And yeah, I'm really passionate about this gambit. I think that this gambit can really offer a lot of D4 players trouble. And really, when we think about it, right, I mean, what's the most annoying move to play against is black. You're black, you shake hands with your opponent, or the game starts online, whatever it may be. What's the most annoying move to see? Well, okay, maybe the English opening, right? That's pretty annoying. But overall, D4 can really offer a lot of black players a very hard time. It's just annoying. D4 is an annoying move. It can often lead to very slow, boring positional chess. Guys, if you play the Charlick Gambit, all that boring, slow positional chess where your opponent gets the Catalan Opening again, or they get the London system again, all that is going out the window. I really do think that you guys will enjoy this, and I hope that you do. Again, we put a lot of work into it. I'm very happy in terms of how it turned out, and all your support up to this point as we get close to 40,000 subs is so appreciated. I'm doing this thing full time now, coaching, YouTube, courses, all that kind of stuff, and that is a big thanks to you guys for making that possible. I appreciate you guys more than you know. And yeah, for those of you that decide to get the course, I hope that you guys like it. I will leave that link down in the description below, right, and down in the pinned comment as well. And yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions on it. I'm also going to be releasing a little bit more free content on YouTube concerning the Charlick Gambit for those of you that don't know what it is. I'll also leave a couple of videos that I made about the Charlick Gambit so far in the description below, just so you can check out those free videos and kind of see, is this a gambit that I would have fun with? Is this a gambit that I want to try out? But if you play bullet chess a lot, if you play blitz chess a lot, if you're a beginner or an intermediate player and you're just really wanting to, try something out against, the move of D4 and have fun while doing it, the Charlick Gambit is something that I really do think chess players need to start learning. Okay, so again, let me know if you have any questions about that. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Also, big shout out to my student Luke. Luke sent me a little care package, and you know, had some cookies in it, as you can see here. So yeah, thank you for that, Luke. That was very touching. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace. I wanted to finish this video out by saying thank you to Walter, Rob, Steve, Rob, and Ray for helping make this February 2025 video possible, as well as the rest of my Patreon community. I appreciate you guys a ton. And if you haven't thought about becoming a patron before, there's some exclusive benefits that you gain by doing so. And I look forward to seeing you over there on the platform. Peace.